Hey YouTube, just a quick update regarding the Tulga Hitch Adapter. We have traveled 3,100 from California to New Jersey, and this thing held really good. Look at that. No sign of stress. I know we went through a bunch of bumps, so it held up really good. That's Tulga Hitch Adapter and a Swagman XE2. It held up the bike really well. And our bikes didn't get stolen. And typically I have a lock, but I just figured, you know what, whatever, if someone wants to take it, take it. But we are here in Jersey. 3,100 trek. Tulga made it. Let me see a side view. It held up. There's Jersey for you. But we moved back to New Jersey, and then this just want to show that Tulga held up really well. You could actually click on the link below on the description, and it'll show you our trek across the United States from California to New Jersey. Thank you so much for watching. Do appreciate it. Chat with you guys later. Bye for now. Don't forget to click subscribe, click that notification bell. Talk to you guys later. Bye. Just to show you that we're in Jersey. That's a Jersey plate. We're getting internet installed in our home. And that's our rig with the Tulga.